Good morning, Junior K. It's Mrs. Kaleo. Happy Monday. Hope you had a wonderful weekend and happy belated birthday to Charlie and Stella. I'm sure you had a wonderful celebration with your family. I know that I enjoyed sign language last week because I love cats. I hope you enjoyed it too. This week we're going to go over some of our math concepts. In our math book, we were just finishing up addition and subtraction, so I want to go over that a little bit more, just to make sure that we're all clear. So when you have addition, you're using the plus symbol. And in a story problem, you say, if it says in all, you know that you're going to add. So I have a little example here for you. If I have 2 of Fiji's little toy balls, and then I add 3 more, how many do I have in all? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 in all. But now for subtraction, remember subtraction is take away, or the minus symbol here, and then in a story problem, it's how many you have left. So if I start out with 5 of Fiji's little toy balls, they're crinkly balls she loves to chase, and I take 2 away, how many are left? There's 1, 2, 3 left, exactly. So I'm gonna send some of the worksheets, and you can do a little bit more addition and subtraction just to make sure that you know exactly what to do. Remember, in all is when you're adding and you have the plus symbol like this. How many are left? It's when you take away and you just have the minus symbol. All right, another concept that we are talking about is fractions. So fractions, and I've got a little diagram here. If you have half of something, you have 2 equal parts of something, or 1/2, or see the circle on the end? It's half of it is shaded. So both sides are the same quantity, the same sizes, but only half of it is shaded. So if you have thirds, you have 3 equal parts, and that's 1/3. So in my diagram, it's supposed to be all the same sizes, but we'll pretend it is. So this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. They're all the same size, and only one of it is shaded. So it's one of the 3 parts is shaded, so it's 1/3. Now, if you have fourths, that means you have 4 equal parts, and 1/4 of this one is shaded. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, but only one of the 4 parts is shaded in, so that's a 1/4. So it just talks about, fractions are most about equal parts. So I'm going to send some fraction worksheets for you also, in addition to the ones that were in your book. So now, Wednesday, we get to celebrate Earth Day. So I want to read a little book to you from Sam's mom about Earth Day, and it's called I Can Save the Earth. So this is a little monster here. Max, the little monster, liked to fling candy wrappers. He left a trail of trash wherever he went. Whee, said Max. Max, the little monster, did not like to give away his old toys, even when he'd outgrown them. Mine, cried Max. That's not very kind, is it? Max, the little monster, liked to overflow the sink and the bathtub and clog the toilet. Hungry toilet, said Max. Oh, that's not a good thing to do. Max, the little monster, left the lights on and blared the TV, even when he wasn't in the room. No big whoop, said Max. Then, one night, in the middle of the night, watching his favorite program, something unexpected happened. I wonder what it was. The lights went out and the TV went off. There had been a blackout. Hey, shouted Max, who turned out the lights? Max tripped over some old toys and stumbled outside to see what was wrong. Max looked around. He saw a full moon as it shone brightly on the colorful spring flowers. He heard the crickets chirp and an owl hoot. He even saw a shooting star as it twinkled across the sky. Wow, said Max, this is so beautiful. When the lights came back on, Max the little monster felt something new. He began to notice things he hadn't noticed before. In the summer, Max the little monster went to the beach and noticed the pretty shells. He wiggled his toes in the sand. He watched the sun sparkle on the waves. He saw a new dolphin leap out of the water. Aww. Max picked up an old bottle and an ice cream wrapper and threw them into a trash can. Pollution makes the beach look ugly, said Max, and pollution can hurt animals and plants. In autumn, Max the little monster noticed the colorful leaves, orange and yellow. He jumped in leaf piles with his friends. Leaves are so pretty and more fun to play than watching TV, cried Max. After they jumped in the leaves, Max the little monster didn't want to leave a mess, so he composted the leaves. Rotten leaves help the dirt grow happy flowers, said Max. What a good idea. In winter, Max the little monster noticed the wonder of snowflakes. Each delicate snowflake looked like a crystal jewel. He made a T-Rex, an igloo, and a snow angel. Why didn't I see this before, wondered Max. The earth is beautiful. Now Max the little monster never wastes water. More water, more snowflakes, says Max, and he doesn't waste toilet paper. Happy monster, happy toilet, happy earth, says Max. Now Max the little monster never wastes electricity. He turns off lights except for one that he's using. He hardly ever watches TV, but when he does, he turns it off when his program is over. Let's play outside, says Max. Fresh air feels good on my fur. Now Max the little monster never litters. He recycles any paper, aluminum cans, and plastic bottles he uses. Max also likes to eat fresh fruits instead of candy and drink water instead of soda pop. Tasty, says Max, and he always throws his trash away in the right bin. Max the little monster even has yard sales where he sells his old toys. Max also trades his toys with his friends. Wow, said Max, old toys I've never played with before are just as fun as new toys. Now Max the little monster loves the earth. He reduces the amount of water and energy he uses. He finds ways to reuse as many things as he can, and he recycles his trash. Sometimes he even hugs trees. Keep the world beautiful. Max the little monster is now called Max the little green monster. You can be a little green monster too and help save the earth. What a great story. And we're going to talk even more about Earth Day tomorrow and on Earth Day, which is Wednesday. So I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.